डेटा एनालिस्ट वर्सेस बिजनेस एनालिस्ट। अगर आप एक फ्रेशर हो और कंफ्यूज्ड हो कौन सा ऑप्शन चूज करना चाहिए, डेटा एनालिस्ट या फिर बिजनेस एनालिस्ट, then this video is for you. So let's get started now. In this video, I'm going to cover the points like salary part, the career, and the roles and responsibilities of both the roles. So as a fresher, अगर आप coding में अच्छे नहीं हो, you are not good at coding, then you can definitely go for a business analyst role. For this role, you have to be very good at your communication. तो communication आपका अच्छा होना चाहिए क्योंकि आप एक मीडिएटर रहोगे स्टेक होल्डर्स के बीच में एंड द टेक्निकल टीम. यू हैव टू टेक द रिक्वायरमेंट फ्रॉम द स्टेक होल्डर्स, एक्सप्लेन इट विद इन योर टेक्निकल टीम. So for that your communication has to be good. Then you can definitely opt for this role अगर आपका कम्युनिकेशन अच्छा है एंड यू लाइक नेटवर्किंग, बिकॉज नेटवर्किंग हियर विल हेल्प यू टू एक्सप्लोर इन दिस करियर. स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द करियर इटसेल्फ, गेट इनटू सम इंडस्ट्री लाइक केयर, टेलीकॉम या फिर फाइनेंस सेक्टर में. तो देयर यू हैव टू गेन द डोमेन knowledge. Once you gain the domain knowledge, then gradually you can grow as an program manager and the product manager. So these roles are currently very high paying jobs in the market. So the salary part here for an business analyst, it will be for a fresher, it will be around starting from around 6 lakhs, and based on your experience it will grow up to like 40-45 lakhs per annum candidates are getting with the experience of around 10 to 12 years. So you have to basically learn more about your domain into business analyst role. Now let's get into a data analyst role. So data analyst is purely a technical job. Here you have to learn some technical skills like Python and SQL. ये learn करना बहुत ज़रूरी है, तभी आप अपना करियर एज एन डेटा एनालिस्ट स्टार्ट कर सकते हो. एंड यू ऑल्सो हैव टू हैव सम नॉलेज ऑन द डेटा विजुअलाइजेशन पार्ट, जहाँ पर आपको पावर BI, टैब्ल्यू, इसका भी थोड़ा बहुत नॉलेज होना चाहिए. तो इस करियर में ग्रो करने के लिए एज एन डेटा एनालिस्ट टू अ डेटा इंजीनियर एंड अ डेटा साइंस इंजीनियर, यू हैव टू लर्न gradually in your career few technologies. So as a data analyst, जब आप काम कर रहे हो किसी कंपनी में, तो get exposure to the cloud technologies like Azure, GCP and AWS. So these are currently booming technologies into cloud, and once you gain knowledge into these technologies, then you can get into the data engineer role. So once you get into a data engineer role, now you know Python as well as SQL, and you know the cloud technologies also. Then start learning NLP, machine learning, and AI. So once you learn these technologies, then you can go into the data science engineer role. As in fresher, you can enter as a data analyst with the salaries of around 7 to 8 lakhs per annum. And once you explore in this career around 10-12 years of experience you are holding, then definitely you can get the salaries of around ranging from 35 LPA to around 40-42 LPA based on your experience and based on the technical skills and the knowledge you have got into your entire career. So I hope this might have helped you to understand the difference between these two roles.